Good morning, all the students of BSc Part 3rd. Myself, Dr. Satyanarayan Jatulia, Department of Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Chemistry of BSc Part 3rd is divided in 3 papers. Paper first, Inorganic Chemistry. Paper second, Organic Chemistry. And paper third, Physical Chemistry. Physical Chemistry of BSc Part 3rd, according to syllabus of 2020 to 21, the unit is assigned to me by the head or by the principal of Dungur College. Physical Chemistry of BSc Part 3rd divided in 5 units. Unit first is Quantum Chemistry. Second unit, Thermodynamics second. Third unit, Photochemistry. And fourth unit, Spectroscopy. And fifth unit is the solution. This is according to syllabus of MGS University, Bikaner. Now, this is our first class, and here we will talk about the unit first, Quantum Chemistry. So, let us start about the basics of quantum chemistry or quantum mechanics. Elementary quantum mechanics. What do we mean by mechanics? You know, all matter are constructed or the form of the small particles, and small particles are always in motion. This branch, the branch of science which deals the kinetic character of these particles, are known as mechanics. Classical mechanics. If we consider the study of Newton's law for the particles which are in motion, then the branch of science is known as classical mechanics. Means the branch of science or physical chemistry which consider the motions or the laws, Newton's law of the particles for the motion, is called classical mechanics. In classical mechanics, we can explain the kinetics of planet and small and large particles which are present on the earth. But atom and another small particles, atoms, electrons, protons, neutrons, or another small particles, kinetic behavior of these particles cannot be explained by classical mechanics. So, the another branch of mechanics is wave mechanics. According to de Broglie, light behaves as a waves and as a particles. Means here, you know, in the BSc part first we have discussed about the de Broglie equations. Means dual nature of the particles. The particle behave as a particle and also behave as a waves. This theory is applicable for radiation also, and lambda of radiation. You know, lambda is equal to h upon mv. Lambda is the wavelength, the distance between two or two torches when the waves propagate in the direction x, y or z. Then there are torches and chests. Then the distance between two chests are lambda. H is the Planck constant, v is the velocity of the light or the radiation, m is the mass of the particles. In wave mechanics, we explain the kinetic behavior of particle assuming as if waves. It also known as wave mechanical treatment. WMT, wave mechanical treatment. Now the fourth is quantum mechanics. Light and electromagnetic radiations have dual nature. The change in energy is not continuous but discontinuous. Means the light, or we can say that radiations, the propagation is not continuous but discontinuous. It means in the form of packets. These packets are called as a photon, and you know the energy of the photon is equal to h nu, or nu is equal to, we know that c is equal to c upon lambda. That's why E is equal to hc upon lambda. H is the Planck constant. In quantum mechanics, we explain the Heisenberg and Schrödinger wave equations. The next topic of quantum chemistry, here we discuss about the black body radiations. You know black body radiation. What is the black body radiation? Whenever a solid substance is heated, then heat energy liberated, and the process by which heat energy is liberated is called as radiation, and these radiations emit in the form of waves. These radiations are identical to the Maxwell electromagnetic waves. In 1900, Maxwell's electromagnetic theory explained the wave nature of the light. According to this theory, the energy which liberates from the matter form a spectrum which depend on the temperature of the matter. Whenever radiation is passed through the substance, then few part of the radiation or energy is reflected, few part is absorbed, and remaining part is transmitted. Absorptivity. Absorptivity A of a surface is the part of incident light which is absorbed by the surface. Absorptivity of black body is unit. The black body is that surface which have absorptivity unit, means absorptivity is equal to 1. It means it absorbs all the radiations. The black body is not a good absorbent, but it is a good emitter. Kirchhoff's law. According to this rule, the ratio of emission power and absorptivity is constant at the given temperature for a body. It means E upon A is equal to constant. Means E upon A is equal to E1 upon A1. Here for the black body A is equal to 1, and for another body A1 is less than 1. Means E is greater than E1. Black body radiation law. Stephen Boltzmann law. According to this rule, the intensity of the total radiation is proportional to the fourth power of the absolute temperature T It means E proportional to T की power 4 or E is equal to sigma T की power 4, where sigma is constant called as Stephen constant. Value of sigma is given 5.6, 7 into 10 की power minus 8 joule meter inverse square second inverse Kelvin power minus 4. If black body surface is A and the time is T, then energy which is emitted is E is equal to A sigma T की power 4. Shape of merino. The ships of merino become live in light, high temperature due to this theory. There as a black body radiation. Wiens displacement law. According to this law, the temperature of the black body is inversely proportional to the lambda max wavelength of the radiation which emit from the black body. It means on increasing temperature, lambda max decreased. Lambda max inversely proportional to 1 upon T, or lambda max is equal to V upon T, and T lambda max is equal to B, equation 1, where B is constant known as Wiens constant, and the value of V is 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Kelvin. Wiens also says that maximum emission power of black body radiation is proportional to fifth power of the temperature, means Em proportional to T to the power 5, or Em upon T to the power 5 is equal to constant, equation number 2. On the basis of thermodynamics, Wiens gauge a radiation between emission energy E lambda, D lambda and E lambda plus D lambda at the temperature T, which are as given below. E lambda D lambda is equal to A upon lambda की power 5 function lambda T D lambda, और E lambda D lambda is equal to A lambda की power minus 5 function lambda T D lambda, or we can say that E lambda is equal to A upon lambda की power 5 E की power B upon lambda T is equal to A lambda की power inverse 5 E inverse B upon lambda T, where E lambda is that energy which emit in the spectrum region between lambda and lambda plus D lambda, and A and B are constant. This is known as Wiens displacement law. Wiens law is applicable for high value of lambda. Rayleigh and Jeans law. By applying the classical law of the equiportion of energy to oscillator of black body, Rayleigh and Jeans gives a rule between lambda and E lambda. E lambda D lambda is equal to 8 pi kt lambda की power inverse 4 D lambda, और E lambda is equal to 8 pi kt upon lambda की power 4, where K is Boltzmann constant. Okay, if you have any query, then you can contact with me on WhatsApp group BSc Part 3rd F section. Any students of Dungar College who belong BSc Part 3rd F section have any query, then you can contact frequently with me, or you can chat. If you have any query or questions, then you can ask in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Thank you again.